September slump is upon us, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing well. Let's strategize for this month because it is notorious for being one of the worst months historically for large and mid-cap tokens. So we're probably not going to see much fruitful events occur during September. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, do subscribe. By the way, congrats to Moki12345. You are the second winner for a $50 reward. And guess what, guys? In this month of September, we're going to be doing 10 giveaways. This video is the third video and it's going to be the third giveaway. So just comment down below absolutely anything and I will enter you to a giveaway. The reward for this one will be $50. So comment down below on this video and tomorrow I will reveal the third winner for $50. Just for watching, just for being here, just for helping out. I feel like you guys deserve something, especially in these crappy crypto times. So we're checking it out. Market cap is 1.05 trillion at the moment in September. September crashed to 22K. Can Bitcoin go to $22,000 in September? Well, it possibly could. Bitcoin is becoming more decentralized. It's still sitting at that kind of key level where accumulation is certainly a massive part of the play right here. And overall, I just think looking at the last few days for crypto, we had that huge injection of money up to 1.1 trillion, globalized market capital. We've flown back down to 1.05. So we could potentially break $1 trillion during this September period. It might just be momentarily, but we can see September historically is the worst month. Always has been, probably always will be. I'm not sure what the key reason behind this is, but September, August, very, very bad months. But it does mean, in my opinion, it's a good month to potentially re-strategize, research, find some new coins, and set up for October, which usually flips more green. So BLX chart, let's have a look. Start with the boring things first. Bitcoin, of course. BLX chart, we're still sitting, in my opinion, on this logarithmic regression. We are in the green ribbon. So it's a nice time to potentially sort of dollar cost average into these coins. The green ribbon here on the logarithmic regression chart or band reflects undervaluation, extreme fear sentiment in the markets. You can see the red ribbon is the opposite. It's the bull market. It's the extreme greed. It's where you're seeing a lot of the euphoria at the top of a bull market cycle. So we can see, of course, we are still sitting very, very heavily at the bottom here. We're also under that 20-day moving average, and it could potentially be a nice time to buy in. We can see this is a very bearish weekly candle here, a massive long selling wick here. We got rejected at $28,000, pulling back to 26K. It's still possible to lose this support at 25.2K and make our way down to $21.9 thousand for Bitcoin. Of course, being the OG. According to the rainbow chart, which is still a fairly simple sort of metric which helps us understand where are we in the markets right now. Well, for me, it's still in a buying phase. We're nowhere near that peak euphoria. And when we do get there in 2025 or something like that, according to this, the price of Bitcoin should be around $150,000 to $261,000, which is pretty crazy. Bitcoin, massive daily red candle back into this support threshold of 25.9K. If we do lose the support, I do honestly think there's a chance we could see 24.8K occur once again. And if we lose at 24.8K, well, then we tumble down to 21.2K, which is going to be a massive buying opportunity for me. And I'll probably end up DCAing quite a lot and large chunks of money into those levels if we do see those major red days in September. So could be a really good month to bake some bread over here. Anyways, with that in mind, coin number one is going to be Bitcoin. Bitcoin sitting at, oh, I just revealed coin number two. Bitcoin sitting at 26K. I mean, it's a key level. Looking historically, it's a level that I would be kind of happy buying in at the moment. I mean, I'm not bothered if I'm buying at 15K, 20K, 30K, 50K, because I still believe naturally that Bitcoin will be rising way over six figures in the future. But just looking at everything Bitcoin of the ETFs in the future, where we are right now, considering the economy, 26K feels like a really bullish and nice entry for me, but I would still personally be waiting for a lower entry. I want to see 20K again. And for that reason, I won't be buying right now, but I'm going to be waiting to see what happens in September. Coin number two will be Solana. It's got some super strong fundamentals, a very powerful blockchain here, tons of active accounts, it's fully decentralized, massive throughput, it's scalable, it's also energy efficient, which is important in these crypto markets. We need the efficiency because fortunately what really helps or doesn't help with global adoption is people slamming crypto for being so rapacious in terms of its energy consumption. Solana sitting at $20 right now. Looking previously, Solana was all the way over here at $260, which is a significantly high, ATH right there. Hopefully we can return to that all-time high. I don't know if it definitely will, although it would be great to see it. And $19 for Solana right now feels sort of undervalued for me, so I will be personally dollar cost averaging into this coin during September if I see it come back down to key levels such as $10. So $10, also $15 are two buying targets I have for Solana. Sei is another huge one, enabling mass adoption of digital assets. Sei is quite a new cryptocurrency within the crypto waves right now. It's quite new to the scene, but that excites me because it's not yet explored all of the market cycle stages within a peak bull run. So it's not really achieved its natural market dominance yet. And that means, for me, there's a lot of upside potential. Looking at this particular project here, in contrast to Solana, one we just looked at, which we are still bullish on, it does look significantly better. It's got a greater transaction finality, more transactional throughput. It's got proof of stake mechanisms as well, which is good, but it also prevents front running bots, which is really, really cool to see. So Sei could be another layer one sort of infrastructure token that does something really, really good. Pricing at 13 cents right now. We can see it had a bit of a run, but then it has gone down into this downtrend here where we're seeing some negative price action. However, looking at this, it's already listed on Binance, it's already listing on Coinbase. So it does show me that it's, of course, a coin packed with utilities, getting a lot of volume. And I think by the time we are in the next crypto bull run, we could see a lot of things happen for this sort of token. Sitting at $240 million, a 10x would take you safely to 2.4 billion. So it could absolutely happen, I think. And that's why it's on the list. It's a relatively lowish market cap. Of course, it's not like 1 million. It's not a micro cap, but it's still got that safety net where it's not super volatile, and it should provide some upside potential by the next crypto bull run. The next token will be Wall Street Memes in September. The reason is this coin actually will list on multiple tier 1 exchanges in September. So of course that makes me feel bullish. It's tier 1 exchanges. There's going to be more than one. It is a pre-sale. It's an ICO phase. It's a meme coin. So it's got all those exciting things about it happening right now. You can buy it either on the BP20 or ERC20 network. And remember guys, nothing in this video is financial advice. So you got to go out there, do your own research and due diligence, of course. Overall, looks pretty good. Elon Musk replied to it on multiple occasions. It also has a staking mechanism where you can actually supply liquidity and earn rewards passively in the background, which is really, really cool. Total supply will be unlocked in April 2028. You can also see there's a Twitter page, 266,000 followers. So stay in the know, subscribe to the channel, have a look at the Wall Street Memes pre-sale. I've got a link down below, and of course don't risk more than you can afford to lose because we cannot predict the future. But WSM will be getting a placement here on the best crypto to buy in September, in my own opinion right here. So fingers crossed it goes really, really well. Crypto number 5 is going to be Optimism. I'm bullish on Ethereum, so naturally I'm bullish on anything built by Ethereum developers. It's fast, stable, scalable. On Ethereum, it's helping to support the Ethereum software. And this is important. I think there's a Batman and Robin Hood synergy here, a strong relationship between the two. And looking at Optimism, the price structure, I mean, it's sitting at $1 billion market capital in a bear market, but looking at the market cap historically, or the price historically, it went up to $3 and then has came down to $1.37. So it's holding really nice. One thing to consider is only 20% of the supply in circulation right now. So naturally, if 100% is fully injected, or however tokenomically it's getting released, then it's going to have a deleterious effect on the price. So 18% in supply, but we are seeing the market capital for this token continuously rise, even during the bearish scenarios. Thing to remember is if the market capital does 2x, but the supply 2x's, the price sort of stays the same. So unless we see a fixed supply right now, and then the market capital doubles, triples, it's hard to keep that price sort of keep on going up. So that's one thing to consider, but we are seeing a very nice bullish trajectory for the market capital of Optimism cryptocurrency over here. If you're new to the channel, do consider joining the Jacob Crypto Clan. We've got traders here, we've got a community of 17,000 members that are in the Discord right now. we're all chilling, we're hanging out, you know, we're learning together. You're going to get a bunch of insights like trading signals right here, the stop loss, the entry points, the risk management, all of those good things that you would like as a trader. The Discord is down below, so give it a click, give us some love. Subscribe to this channel and comment on this video to also enter that $50 giveaway where you could potentially be the next winner. So comment down below, like this video, let the world know that we're here to stay, and let's try and crumble that YouTube algorithm together. We'd love to get 25k subs and more of you guys in the Discord, because we really do put our heart and soul into providing top quality content and resources in the Discord for you to benefit from. Thanks for watching this video. Let me know what your favorite cryptos are in September. What are you going to be doing in September whilst these tokens suddenly go into a lull? Anyways, that's it for now. Subscribe, like, comment. See you soon, and stay crypto safe. Yeah.